Hi, I'm Gyan from Tasty Teaching. I welcome you to our fourth session, Dough De-Stress. Today, we are going to have a quick dough de-stress session to help you unwind, relax, and take a break from all the networking and learning that you have been doing at the Foodie Show. I have brought in a few of my colleagues to help you in your journey with us today. Please keep your ingredients ready as mentioned in your toolkit for today's session or like the way I have arranged myself today. For those who do not have a rolling pin, any flat cylindrical surface should be as good to go. Right. First off, using your fingertips, gather a little bit of flour and sprinkle it over your work surface. Feel the texture of the flour as you sprinkle it over. Now, using your fingertips, gently and slowly rub it across the work surface. Feel the coarseness, feel the texture of the surface, and feel the texture of the flour. Let go of your thoughts, let go of your anxiety, let go of your stress as you begin rolling your dough today. Now, using your floury hands, pick up your dough, place it on the surface. Now, divide your dough into two, like so, and put the other half back into the bowl. Now, let's repeat the process. As you do, feel how relaxed the dough is. Feel the texture, feel the resistance as you pull the second half apart into two more. Gently squish it together and form a rough ball. Now, let's roll this ball into a mini log. Using your fingertips, feel the resistance, feel the texture. Be in the moment with the dough. The log should be as wide as your palm, like so. When you have achieved this, do stop. Now, let's pull this in half. Feel how the texture changes every moment you interact with the dough. Take one half, place it into the bowl. Now, using both your hands, gently and slowly, turn it into a ball, like so. Feel the pressure between both your palms, acting against each other. Now, place it in the center of your workspace, like so. Again, gather a little bit of flour, sprinkle on top, and let's massage this dry flour onto the surface of your dough. Let's gather some more flour and rub it on the surface of the rolling pin, like so. Now, feeling the pressure, being in the moment, relaxing yourself, Let's begin marking an X, like so. Press down gently, gently lift up, and the other way around. Press down slowly and gently lift up. As you can see, we have an indentation that marks a cross, like so. Now, place the rolling pin in the center and roll away from you. Bring back to the center, roll towards you. Turn it to the side and repeat the process. Rolling pin in the center, away from you. Rolling pin back in the center, towards you. A little bit of flour. Massage gently on the surface. Flip it over. Repeat the process. Now, as you continue at your own pace, let go of your stress. Let go of your thoughts. Be in the moment, you and the dough, as you roll away. Feel the resistance change. Feel the texture change. Look at the shape change. All these changes made together in this very moment. Continue rolling at your own pace. In the moment with the dough, gently and slowly. Once you have reached about a millimeter thick, you may stop. As you can see, it's about a millimeter thick. Don't worry about your fingers, as we are going to roll another one. You may take this and place it on the side for now. Do remember to dust the surface of your roti dough before you place it, or as mentioned in the toolkit. Pull out the second lump of dough that you had earlier and roll it into a ball. Again, feel the texture change, feel the pressure change, feel the pressure build up in between your palms. Be in the moment, just you and the dough. Gently press down, back onto the surface. Little bit of flour on the dough, on your surface, and the rolling pin. Again, trying to be in the moment, let's mark our cross. Gently pushing down, pick up, the other way, push down and up. As you can see the indentation, rolling pin in the center, roll away from you gently and slowly. Turn, repeat the process. Away from you and toward you. Feel free to use some flour to stop it from sticking to your rolling pin. Now, repeat the process at your own pace. Let go of your anxiety, let go of your stress. There might be multiple thoughts coming in, conversations you had today, your networking, perhaps there are a few assignments for you to complete. At this moment, it doesn't matter. All that matters is you being in the moment with the door. As you begin to see and feel the roti forming, let go of your stress. Feel the texture, look at the shape, feel the temperature as you keep rolling. Again, once you have reached a thickness of 1 millimeter, ensure to dust the dough a little bit with some flour, and you may stack these up together. If you are done, let's take a moment to look at our dough, to look at our preformed rotis. Let's take this moment to relax and be in the moment one last time. You cook the dough in a non-stick pan on high heat for 45 seconds on each side until light brown in color, and you have little golden blisters or specks on your completed roti. Then your roti is ready. You may always check your toolkit for storing conditions and methods. Our team is always looking to improve, and please feel free to reach out to us anytime. Tasty Teaching offers custom design workshops when it comes to mental well being through food. Please come visit us at our booth. Thank you for joining us. See you next time.